In this video, I will show you how to connect MyFitnessPal to Google Fit. First, open your Google Fit app. Then head back to your home screen and open the MyFitnessPal app. At the bottom right corner, tap on More. Scroll down and select Apps and Devices. Now, tap on Apple Health, then choose Turn on All and tap Allow to sync. Next, go back to the Google Fit app. Tap on your profile at the bottom, then open Settings. Scroll down and tap Track Your Activities with Health and make sure the switch is turned on so it connects properly. Finally, open the Apple Health app. Tap on your profile, scroll down, and go to Apps. Here you will see that MyFitnessPal is already connected. And that's how to connect MyFitnessPal to Google Fit.